100%, like, how do I saying it? That's a better word. Okay. Just randomly drawing it. It's hard to seeing it, but I will, so let me do that one. I kept doing it on the top and on the bottom, like on the free edges of the nails, blending in thin coat. And let's see how it turned out. Let's see how this nail gonna bring it to us, because I'm freaking like excited. I can't wait. I can't even see it too, but hey, it's okay. It doesn't need to be totally perfect because we're gonna get some cute image in here. Great. All right, let's pop this in a lamp for about 30 seconds. This chamfer foil gel doesn't need to key it like 60 seconds. 30 seconds is good. Great. Pop in 30 seconds. And I pull out, I select this one. It's really freaking cool though. I'm still really like that. It's tiny little roses, but I got it from a collection of number 22 chamfer foil gels. And look at that. I took some of them. I took a lot of them out, but doesn't matter. You can play with any colors. And I took some of them out. I took like 6 of them, and I picked this because I got a background like I can show you. But look at this. This is really freaking cool for springtime as well. Oh, this one last time we did it and chamfer completely pieces out. Let me see. Like this one I did it too last time. So it's really cool. All right, so are you ready with me now? I'm gonna press this. I just want to get 1 rose in there at least. You know, this one even easier to do with the real clients. Oh, it's already come up. Even I'm just press it. Hold on. Make sure you press it nicely. And this one is a white one though. You don't see it, but let me see. I can't find it though. Hold on. I'm gonna go on the other one because I didn't press it hard enough. But I'm going the other ones. Let me hold this better. Okay, got it. It's completely chamfer. And this one you can't see it because the white's right there. Interesting. I can't find why I'm in at all. Do you know? I don't know freaking where it's at. But by the way, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna do something fun with this. Now I am going to looks good. I am gonna using this same thing from Premium I Hold Chamfer Foil. I'm closing it. I did drop 1 drop here for myself earlier using a twin tip brush. I have it right here. So I'm gonna draw a cute little if you want to be not getting into the other part, you make sure you top coat it first and do this. I'm just doing it without the top coat, so we'll see how it turn out. You'll see how I get this. Great, I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. Looks cute though. This one, 30 seconds. If you don't press it good, it's just release it for you, which is amazing. That's why if I don't press it hard enough, if you press hard enough, like it just pop right off. I'm like freaking like pleased with this. This is 30 seconds, and then it save you so much time, and it release your transfer foil. I'm gonna using this cute one. I cut it from other collection. This collection foil right here is a hollow, whatever you call that. Let me see. Hopefully it's not gonna transfer on the others. I'm gonna try to get it on just that part. I just want the edges of it. I don't want the whole nails, and I don't want in the middle because the middle still have the transfer foil underneath, the tacky layer from the color. So for beginners, if you don't want to deal with that, then just put the top coat first and then do a transfer foil. Great. I think I like it. Great. If you like it like that, you just put the top coat and pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and then you'll be completely done. I think it looks great. Top coat. No wipe top coat. You don't need crystal. If you want crystal, you can't. Cute. Thank you so much. What, crystal? Looks good. I think it looks cute though. You know what it reminds me of? It kind of like a China dinnerware. Do you think so? Do you think so? Great. Top coat. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. It's like a little tea cups. Thank you, Fancy Fingers. Great, and then that nails is completely done. We're all going to do something cute with this on. This is the 2 nails we did earlier, but if you miss it, you can tune it back in after the live video ends so you can see on the story. Foxy. Lori, yes, I think it's like, it looks like a little teacup, like China dinnerware. So it's really cool though. It's like an antique look. One more nails will be done, Lily. Lily's join me tonight. It's really nice. So I am gonna using a no condensed glue gels for this. We're waiting for that nail to be finished. Today we are thank you so much, Foxy. It's great though. I am going to add the condensed glue gel on this. Did Lily get the stuff? Yeah. Hey, hold on, what's happened? Oh, probably I get the stuff on it. Why is that? Oh, because my nails, it was there. Looking good. Looks stunning, right?